Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today we will talk about PicsArt application on your mobile phone, and I will let to give you an explanation about how you can remove the background of your picture with PicsArt. Open the PicsArt application on your mobile phone, and then you just need to pick the picture that you want to remove the background. So here I already got this picture that I will let to remove. The next you just need to take a look at this button feature and swipe the feature into the left side until you got cut out. Tap into this cut out. Now you just need to pick the section. You can keep the person, you can keep the face only, you can keep the clothes or even the sky. So here if you want to keep the person, just tap into the person, and the technology of the because it will help you to isolate the persons only. And now you can just go swipe into the area that is haven't being included into the marks, and then just need to go click save. And now you already got the picture only without the background. You can save it, and this is what you got later on your photo library. You see that the picture here is have a white or gray color there. Whenever you open it, the background is gone. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.